Hi children, this is your Kalpana teacher. Types of chemical reactions: chemical combination, chemical decomposition, chemical displacement, and chemical double displacement. In these reactions, today in this video, we are going to discuss about chemical combination. What is chemical combination? Chemical combination means a reaction which single product is formed from two or more reactants is called chemical combination. Means two or more reactants combine together and form a single product. It is known as chemical combination. Children, chemical combination reaction, we are going to perform a lab activity. For this we have to take a small piece of magnesium ribbon. That magnesium ribbon we rub with sandpaper, because magnesium ribbon is coated with magnesium oxide. It does not coated with magnesium oxide, it immediately reacts with oxygen and it gives burning. So in lab we have magnesium ribbon is coated with magnesium oxide. If we rub the magnesium ribbon with sandpaper, then only it burns. Magnesium ribbon hold it with a pair of tongs and burn. Then we get the white color ash. Magnesium burns in oxygen by producing a dazzling white flame and changes into white powder. The white powder is magnesium oxide. In this reaction, magnesium oxygen combine to form a new substance, magnesium oxide. A reaction in which single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as chemical combination. Magnesium is one reactant and oxygen is one reactant. These two reactants combine together and we get a single product, that is magnesium oxide. So this is known as chemical combination reaction. Here we collected material to do the activity, children. We collected material: tongs, spirit lamp, matchbox, magnesium ribbon, watch glass, dropper, water. These are the materials required to do this activity. We are burning the spirit lamp. We are taking the magnesium ribbon between the tongs and we heat the magnesium ribbon with spirit lamp. It gives burning. It produces heat also. After burning the magnesium ribbon, it changes to white color ash. Magnesium reacts with oxygen and it gives magnesium oxide. Understand children, chemical combination reaction. You will also notice release of enormous amount of heat energy when magnesium is burnt in air. Right? Let us discuss some more examples of combination reactions, children. Burning of coal. When coal is burnt in oxygen, carbon dioxide is produced. Carbon reacts with oxygen and it gives carbon dioxide and excess of heat energy. Heat energy is also released. Another example we observe slaked lime. Slaked lime means it is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide we called as slaked lime. Slaked lime reacts with water and it produces calcium hydroxide and heat. We observe this in lab activity, children. Large amount of heat energy is released on the reaction with calcium oxide. If we touch the walls of the container, you feel that hotness. Such reactions are called exothermic reactions. So we take a beaker, we take water in beaker, we add slaked lime, means calcium oxide, to the beaker. It produces calcium hydroxide and so much heat. So a solution of slaked lime produced in the reaction is used to whitewash the walls. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls. It gives a white shiny finish to the walls. Now you observe the lab activity of calcium oxide with water, children. Now reaction between calcium oxide and water lab activity we are going to perform. For this lab activity, we collected some materials. Observe in this picture, children: cork, spatula, test tube and beaker. In that beaker, we collected some water and calcium oxide, that is called quicklime also, CaO, calcium oxide. We collected these materials for this lab activity. Observe in this figure, we collected the materials for this lab activity. Now we are going to do activity. In beaker, we are taking the water beaker. We are taking calcium oxide. We are adding calcium oxide to the beaker. Take some water in a beaker, add calcium oxide by using spatula. So this is called chemical combination reaction. Understand, children? Chemical combination. We are adding calcium oxide to the water. It gives calcium hydroxide, that is called slaked lime. We notice that beaker is hot when we touch it. If we touch the beaker, it is very hot, calcium hydroxide, and it is called slaked lime. When calcium hydroxide is produced, it releases heat energy. This is called exothermic reaction. So calcium reacts with calcium oxide reacts with water and it gives calcium hydroxide and water. This is called exothermic reaction. It is the example for chemical combination reaction also.